Namaste students, today I am going to teach you subject mathematics. In mathematics we will study here next part of chapter 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. Let us study about factors of a cube plus b cube. Here a cube plus b cube is equal to, in first bracket, a plus b, second bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. First, factorize example number 1, a cube plus 64 b cube. Solution: using this formula here, a cube plus 64 b cube is equal to, in first bracket, cube of a cube means a cube plus 64, here 64, and cube root of 64 is a 4, and here b, therefore 4b bracket cube is equal to, in first bracket, a plus 4b, in second bracket, a square, multiplication of both 4b and a, and therefore minus 4ab, plus square of this term 16b square, bracket complete. Example number 2 here, 27x cube plus 125y cube. Solution: 27x cube plus 125y cube. Here cube root of 27 is a 3 and cube root of x cube is x, and therefore thrice x bracket cube. Similarly here plus 5y bracket cube is equal to, in first bracket, thrice x plus 5y, in second bracket 9x square minus multiplication of these two terms, thrice x multiplied by 5y here minus 15xy, plus square of the second term here, square of 5 is 25, square of y is y square. Example number 3, x cube plus 1 divided by 27x cube. Solution: x cube plus 1 divided by 27x cube is equal to, here cube root of x cube is x, and therefore here x cube plus remain plus, here cube root of 1 is 1 here, and cube root of 27x cube is thrice x. Therefore 1 divided by thrice x bracket cube is equal to, in first bracket, x plus 1 divided by thrice x, in second bracket, x square minus multiplication of these two terms, x multiplied by 1 divided by thrice x plus square of second term 1 divided by thrice x bracket square, this bracket complete, is equal to, x plus 1 divided by thrice x, in second bracket x square remains x square, but here this x and this x get cancelled, and therefore only 1 divided by 3 remain here, minus 1 divided by 3 plus square of this term is equal to 1 divided by 9x square. Factors of x cube minus a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to, in first bracket, a minus b, in second bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. Example number 1 here, factorize a cube minus 125 b cube. Solution: a cube minus 125 b cube is equal to cube root of a cube is a, and therefore here a cube minus cube root of 125 is 5 and b is b here. Cube root of b cube is b, therefore 5b bracket cube is equal to, in first bracket, a minus 5b, in second bracket a square plus multiplication of these two terms 5ab plus square of second term 5b bracket square is equal to, in first bracket a minus 5b is second bracket a square plus 5b plus 25b square. Example number 2, x cube minus 1 divided by 64 x cube. Solution: x cube minus 1 divided by 64 x cube is equal to, this is x cube minus 1 divided by cube root of 64 is 4x bracket cube is equal to, in first bracket x minus 1 divided by 4x, in second bracket x square plus multiplication of these two terms as x multiplied by 1 divided by 4x plus square of second term 1 divided by 4x bracket square is equal to, in first bracket x minus 1 divided by 4x, in second bracket x square. Here this x and this x get cancelled, only remain plus 1 divided by 4 plus square of second term 1 divided by 16x square, 1 divided by 16x square. Simplify. Number 1, in bracket a plus b bracket cube minus a cube minus b cube. Solution: in first bracket here a plus b bracket cube minus a cube minus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube, and here this minus a cube and minus b cube. This a cube is a plus a cube and this is a minus a cube. Both get cancelled. Here plus b cube and minus b cube, these two get cancelled. Only remain 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square is equal to, here thrice ab is common term and therefore thrice ab in bracket a plus b. Thank you for watching this video.